Hi guys and welcome back for another math lesson. Sa video na to, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang parts of a right triangle. Bago tayo mag-proceed, let us first identify kung ano nga ba ang objectives ng ating lesson. First, you will be able to identify the parts of a right triangle, be familiar with the definition of a right triangle and its parts, and value accumulated knowledge as a means of new understanding. Let's get started. Ang figure na ito ay isang example ng right triangle. Pag sinabi nating right triangle, it is a type of triangle which has one right angle. Ang measure ng ating right angle is 90 degrees. Remember na ang ating right triangle could only have one right angle. Since ang total interior angle ng ating right triangle is equal to 180 degrees. At alam natin na ang right triangle consists of three angles. And it is tantamount to say na kung ang ating right triangle ay merong dalawang right angle, yung dalawang right angle pa lang niya will be equal to 180. That means no degrees will be left for the third angle. Kaya si right triangle ay meron lang isang right angle. At yung natirang dalawang angle will share the remaining 90 degrees. That is why, aside dun sa ating right angle, meron tayong dalawang acute angle sa right triangle. Since malinaw na sa inyo kung kailan natin masasabi na ang isang triangle ay right triangle, this time, let us now identify kung ano nga ba ang mga parts ng right triangle. So, meron tayo ditong triangle A, B, and C, where B is a right angle. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Aside sa angle ng ating right triangle, meron din tatlong sides ang ating right triangle, namely hypotenuse, adjacent side, and the opposite side. Hypotenuse is the longest side in a right triangle. Para ma-identify natin ang ating longest side or ang ating hypotenuse, titignan natin ang ating right angle. Ang opposite side ng ating right angle is the hypotenuse. Meaning, kung ano yung katapat ng ating right angle, that means yun ang tinatawag nating hypotenuse. So, ang longest side sa ating given na right triangle ay ang segment AC. So, segment AC will serve as the hypotenuse of our right triangle. Yung natirang sides ng ating right triangle ay ang tinatawag nating legs of a right triangle. So, si side AB at si side BC are both legs of the triangle. Maaari nating i-differentiate ang dalawang legs na to ng triangle depending on what angle we are talking about. Let's say for example, ang focus natin or ang pinag-uusapan natin ay angle C. That means, ang side between angle B and angle C is what we call adjacent side. So, side BC is the adjacent side. So, the remaining side or the opposite side ng ating angle C will serve as our opposite side. So, side AB is what we call the opposite side. Kung ang ating given or pinag-uusapan ay ang angle C. But what if ang given nating angle ay si angle A? So, kung ang pinag-uusapan naman natin ay si angle A, that means ang side sa pagitan ni angle A at ng ating right triangle will now serve as our adjacent side. At ang side sa opposite ni angle A or ang ating remaining side will serve as the opposite side. That means, if angle A is our reference, segment AB is our adjacent side, and segment BC is our opposite side. So, ganun natin ina-identify ang parts ng ating right triangle. Para mas maintindihan nyo ng maigi, let us have an example. Let us identify the parts of our triangle XYZ. So, given dito ang ating right angle which is angle Z that is equal to 90 degrees. Ang unang gagawin natin is identify muna natin ang hypotenuse ng ating triangle XYZ. Kung titignan natin, ang opposite side ng ating right angle is the segment XY. Ibig sabihin, ito rin ang longest side ng ating triangle. So that means, ito rin ang magsiserve na hypotenuse ng ating right triangle. I-identify naman natin ngayon ang adjacent side ni angle X. Since ang given nating angle ay angle X, that means Ang side sa pagitan ni angle x at ng ating right angle will serve as our adjacent side. So ang adjacent side natin ay ang ating segment XZ. The next is the opposite side of our angle x. So as you can see, ang opposite side ng ating angle x is the segment YZ. Ngayon naman ay ang focus natin ay ang ating angle Y. Ang adjacent side ng ating angle Y ay ang side sa pagitan ng angle Y at right angle. So that is the side or the line segment YZ. While the opposite side naman ng ating angle Y, which is the line segment XZ, will serve as the opposite side. Now your turn. Identify the parts of our right triangle EFG. Please don't forget to comment your answer sa ating comment section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.